Right there in the middle of the screen is an emerald dove, which I didn't even know existed until now. That beautiful noise you hear in the background, not the people, that's nasty. That's the noise of the emerald dove. I thought it was some sort of owl at first, and then I thought it was a pigeon. I think maybe doves are from the pigeon family, I'm not sure. And this over here is a really sweet little breed of ibis, which the lady described as just like the bin ibis, only dressed nicer, which I thought was really sweet. Lots of beautiful birds in here, and I just love to just sit here and watch them do their thing.